Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back here. Thank you all for always stopping by to support your baby girl. And if today is your first time of seeing this face, you're very much welcome. You are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. Please remember to click the subscribe button and also the bell button beside it so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Yes, so guys, today's video is all about DIY. Yes, do it yourself. So guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make glowing and lightening soap at the comfort of your home. Yes, I'll be showing you guys how to do glowing and lightening soap. You heard me right. That's what we will be making today. Okay, so please stay glued to this video. Don't log out, don't fast forward, don't in fact sit down and watch as I show you how to do that from the comfort of your home. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, the ingredients we'll be using to make this DIY body wash, body soap and body scrub are carrots. We need carrots and also we need 2 lemons. Then the next ingredient is coconut oil. You need coconut oil for this DIY. Then the next one is honey. We'll be using honey. Then the next ingredient in our list is Dove soap. You can use any soap, you can use any bath soap. So the next ingredient you'll be needing is aloe vera gel. Yes, this is the one I'll be using. Then the next ingredient on our list is lavender essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Yes, then the next one here is vitamin E. This is optional. If you don't have it, no problem, you can still make your DIY body wash. Then the next one is rose water. Yes, we'll be needing rose water. So let's go ahead and prep everything. So first, make sure your hands are well washed if you won't be using hand gloves. Then after that, you go ahead and grate the Dove soap with a grater. So this is it. This is what I have after grating the soap. Did you see? This is what I have. So the next step here is to go ahead and prep our carrots. Scrape off the skin of your carrot, then cut it into smaller chunks so that your blender can blend it properly. Then after cutting it, add it into the blender. Then pour in a cup of warm water. Let the water be the same level with the carrot. Then after that, you go ahead and blend it. This is after blending it. This is what I have. The next step here is to go ahead and sieve out the juice. Using a strainer, you strain out the juice. So the shaft that we got from the carrot, we'll put it in a plate and set it aside. We'll be using it later. This is not a waste, okay? We'll still be making use of it. Set it aside. Then we'll move to the next level, which is melting of the soap. Now we are making our body wash. To melt the soap, we'll be using double boiling method. So place the soap in a pot of boiling water. Then go ahead and add the carrot juice that will sift out. Now this is the trick. If you want your liquid body wash to be so light, as in if you want the consistency to be light, then you have to add enough of carrot juice. But if you want it to be a kind of not so liquid, not so watery consistency, then you have to add little carrot juice. Yes, it depends on how you want the consistency of your body wash to be. Okay, so now I will go ahead and squeeze in half of lemon juice. Then after that, the next ingredient to add is honey. I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then after that, the next one is coconut oil. I added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then the next one is lavender essential oil. I added some drops of lavender essential oil for fragrance. Then the next one here is vitamin E. I'll be adding some drops of vitamin E. Like I said, this is optional, but it's good because we all know that vitamin E is good to the skin. So after that, I will mix until all the soap flakes are well dissolved. So now the body wash is ready. Take it off the cooker. Then we'll move to the next stage, which is the final stage of making the body wash. Now we'll go ahead and sieve the body wash. The purpose of sieving it is to make sure that there are no lumps left in the body wash. Yes, we want the body wash to be lumps free, so you have to sieve it, okay? So I'm done sieving it. After sieving it, you set it aside and allow it to cool down before adding it to the body wash container. Now we'll move to the next level, which is making our body scrub. To make our body scrub, I'll be using the carrot fiber I got from the sieving out the carrot juice that we earlier blended. I'll add 1 teaspoon of rose water to it. The next one, I'll add some drops of vitamin E to it. The next thing to add is honey. I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey. The next thing to add is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then the last one is aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then after that, mix and mix. Mix very well. So the major ingredient to add here to make it the body scrub is sugar. Sugar will help to exfoliate the skin, thereby getting rid of dead skin cells. You can add white sugar, you can add brown sugar. Add half cup of sugar, then give it a good mix. Did you see, guys? This is it. Our body scrub is ready. Use this to scrub your body. This will help get rid of any dead skin cells. Okay? Then after scrubbing your body with it, you wash it off with a warm water. You can use this for 3 days, and after 3 days you discard it and prep another one. It's easy to make, so you can always prep another one. Now I'll go ahead and add it into the container. Please make sure all the containers you'll be using for this DIY are well sterilized. And to do that, add all the containers in a pot, bring it to boil, add salt and the apple cider vinegar. Then after that, boil for 10-15 minutes, then bring it out and allow the containers to dry. Yeah. So now we'll move to making the bar soap. Please make sure the soap you will be using in making the bar soap is a hard soap, because we'll be altering the consistency of the soap. So make sure you are using a soap that is hard. Okay? So after grating the soap, now I'll move to grating the carrots. We'll be using carrots to make it. Then after grating the carrot, the next thing to do is to grate the skin of lemon. What I need here is the skin, so I'll be using my grater to scrape off the skin of the lemon. After that, this is what I have. The next thing to do here is to move to blending it. I'll go ahead and add the carrot and the lemon into a blender. Then after adding it into a blender, the only thing you need to add is coconut oil. Please don't add water, okay? Because the carrot will still release its own water. So you don't need to add water. Add half cup of coconut oil. Then after this, we'll cover the blender and move over to blending it. So we are done blending it, guys, and this is what it looks like after blending it. Did you see? Because I didn't add water, it didn't blend that so smooth, but that doesn't matter because all I need here is the juice. I don't need the fiber, so it doesn't matter if it blends so well or not. Okay, so after that, I'll go ahead and transfer it into a sieve, into a strainer, to strain out the juice, because that's what I need. That's what I'll be working with. Okay, so after transferring it into a strainer, I'll go ahead and strain out the juice. So guys, this is it. This is what we need in making our soap tablet. Now we'll move to the next stage. Using a boiling method, place the grated soap on a fire. Then squeeze in half lemon juice. Then after that, we'll go ahead and add the carrot, lemon and coconut juice that we strained out. Remember, to make the soap tablet, you don't need to add a lot of water, okay? So that at the end, the soap will still be hard. So that's why you need to use a bar soap that is very, very hard, okay? Because you will be altering the consistency of the soap. We want at the end that the soap will still be hard, okay? That's why it's advisable, use a soap that is hard as your soap carrier. Now I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then after that, I will add some drops of vitamin E. Now I will go ahead and add lavender essential oil for fragrance. You can as well skip it. Then give it a good mix. Mix until everything combines properly, until all the soap flakes are dissolved. So now the soap tablet is ready. We'll take it off the cooker. Now is the time to mold it into the shapes that we want. These are the things I'll be using to mold the soap, because I don't have a soap mold. Yes, you can always improvise, you know. So these are the things I'll be using, and believe me, they came out so nice. So guys, this is it. Now it's the time to let it dry. Allow it to dry. Leave it for 1 or 2 days for it to dry, okay? Now this is the liquid body wash. This is after it has cooled down. This is how it looks like. It's not that too thick. It's not that too watery. This is the consistency that I like. Okay guys, so now I'll go ahead and transfer it into a body wash container. So guys, this is it. Our body wash is ready. You can use this for 1 month, and after 1 month, please discard it, because we did not use any cosmetic preservative. But if you want to make the one that will last for a long time, please do add a cosmetic preservative, okay? This is it guys. Did you see? The body wash is ready. This will help you get a clean skin, keep your skin glowing, you know. This will lighten you up because of the lemon, carrot, and all that we added to it. They are lightening agents, okay? Now this is the soap tablet after 2 days. Guys, this is it. Did you see? They are so nice. And they came out very hard because I used a soap carrier that was very hard. So that's why the end product I got is still very hard. If you use a soap that is not that so hard, the end product will not be this hard. But I'll still leave it in the sun for about 5 days so that it will be so hard, like kakaraka. So guys, this is it. Our body wash, body scrub, and the soap tablets are ready. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this, okay? And please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so, okay guys? I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.